Hi, I'm Chris.
I'm Tammy.
I'm Cole.
And I'm Allison.
Welcome to our home.
In just a few minutes, Disney's July 4th fireworks show will be starting.
Okay, so today what we want to do is invite you guys to watch the July 4th fireworks that we watched in the park on July 4th. And so we're going to play the fireworks, and then we're going to talk along with it, and then kind of tell you a little bit about what we were going through during that time. So
Give you our point of view.
yeah.
Okay, so it starts off green with Clint looking.
He didn't like it the first time he said that.
It's like I've never seen it. It's too hard to watch. Behind us and in front of us.
They started off real big.
Yeah.
I do
And
remember.
they end off real big.
Yeah.
I'm not going to give you spoilers, but it ends off really big.
Now the whole video is just spoiler, baby. Sure.
Well,
I remember
every
recording.
fireworks show does that.
I remember recording this, and I remember thinking, should I be up high or should I stay low on the castle? And I thought here at the beginning it'd be good to be on the castle.
Yeah.
I'm sorry if it's a little bit shaky. I think it's a little tiny bit shaky.
I was freehanding it. I mean, with the big heavy camera. So I mean, it's as good as it gets.
Yeah.
I really liked how the whole fireworks show is really based around America's independence
Oh, yeah.
more than like being at Disney.
Right.
Yeah.
I agree.
I mean,
But I
it's kind of
think
like
they
you got
should
the
have added just a tiny bit more because they didn't have like any Disney.
yeah, but you got the best of both worlds. You're already at Disney, and so here you're getting the opportunity to really celebrate Independence Day.
Yeah.
And
It is loud.
it was loud. There was
There was
a lot
lots
of fireworks.
Yeah, there was fireworks in front of us and behind us. We
Yeah.
couldn't get it behind us.
Yeah, we were mostly focusing on the castle.
Yeah, there were
Yeah.
fireworks going off like 360 degrees all around you. Not exactly like this, but just like bursts.
Sporadically.
Sporadically, yes.
Yeah, they actually, you can see these fireworks going off from every direction in Magic Kingdom.
Yeah, so basically you get a good seat mostly.
Anywhere you were
Yeah,
at.
so no matter which of the lands you're in, you can still see fireworks.
But we
Yeah.
tried to get a little bit closer to the castle, as close as we could for
They
video
showed-
purposes.
Yeah, and they show these fireworks on July 3rd and 4th. And those are the only two nights.
We watched it July the 3rd because we were gonna eat at Liberty Tree Tavern.
Yeah.
So we kind of missed them because it was kind of late whenever
right.
we booked it. But we tried to get as much as we could. But we missed it on July 4th.
Yeah.
But I'm sure it was even more packed on July 4th.
Oh, it
Because
was.
everyone wants to be on July 4th.
Let me tell you,
in Magic Kingdom.
if you go to Disney and you're going to watch it, pick the 3rd to watch it. Because on the 4th, it was so crowded. It was unbelievably crowded.
Well, and they do a different type of fireworks show in each park. And so a good thing about them doing it on the 3rd and 4th is you could catch the 3rd at like maybe Magic Kingdom and then do the 4th somewhere else or vice versa.
Yeah, like an Epcot.
Yeah.
With that.
I know Epcot and Magic Kingdom do a different show, but I didn't know the rest of them did.
Yeah, I read that Animal Kingdom does a like River of Lights type show too.
Now I am seeing that there's this like black
can only imagine being in an airplane flying over seeing this.
Oh, I know.
It would have been just.
I saw some coming in on the right side, coming back. And I saw them, and they don't go very high, but I can just imagine seeing all these.
There's a lot of them here.
I wish I could have seen them.
It begs the question, would you be afraid or would you be in awe?
I would probably be in awe, really.
Yeah, and they're not going high enough to get into a plane.
Yeah, of course.
I
I
would
was-
be kind of scared.
I was sitting in, the night we watched this, we had eaten at Skipper's Cantina, and the table next to us were asking about the fireworks, because we had the rain delay, and they said, well, what happens if we have a lot of strong wind? And the guy said, unless it's over 40 miles an hour, they'll tilt those cannons, and they'll shoot them into the wind so that you can still see the fireworks. I didn't know that.
I didn't either.
And we just barely got there, but then it got delayed, so we had to sit there for like 15 minutes.
Yeah, now the only reason they'll delay it, is what they were saying, was if it's a lightning storm, which is exactly what happened when we were there.
Yeah, it was like behind us.
Look at that glowing behind us.
I didn't notice that.
I didn't either. I didn't
Maybe
notice
it's
it.
the camera or something, but
Yeah,
I didn't know that.
I think I remember noticing it being like that.
And I noticed it isn't about the fireworks, but they have DJ parties like after this. So once you do this, you can like go ride rides and stuff. But then you should probably like see the disco parties and stuff because those are fun.
4th of July is a lot of fun in the Magic Kingdom. First of all, they stay up until 2 a.m.
Yeah.
So you get, if you have extra magic hours and you
We
stay
left
on
at
property.
like 12 and 10.
And so you can, it's open so late that it really allows you to maximize your time on those couple of
Yeah.
days.
And if
Because
you
it stays, on the 3rd and the 4th, they both stayed up until 2 a.m.
And if you're staying and you're spending so much money on this trip, you should probably just try to stay as long as you can, unless you're so tired.
Yeah.
They give special deals as well.
I'll be honest with you, I like watching it right here on this computer better than I do watching it in the park.
Well,
And the reason is, my arms and legs were hurting so bad by this point,
My neck was
I could
hurting.
hardly hold my arms still, and my legs were just throbbing.
Me
We
too.
had already been standing there for 40 minutes.
My neck was hurting
Yeah.
because I was doing this. I was looking back in front of me and
Oh, no,
behind
guys.
me because there was so much going on.
There's nothing quite like seeing it in person.
It is true.
It's pretty.
It's really loud in person. I like this music.
yeah. I thought it sounded a lot like Woody's Roundup.
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
does, yeah.
But
But
this
it's
is
Oh
Oh
Susanna, yeah.
It looks kind of like a Star
It's like a very Toy Story-ish.
Because it sounds kind of like. It sounds kind of like something you hear on like Twister and
Yeah.
Yeah.
something like that.
Makes me miss being there.
You always miss it. You gotta appreciate what you have until it's gone, right?
Alright.
About day 3, I'm tired of staying late.
What was this, the second day?
Well, I
This
have a,
was day 1.
I have a
Oh, that's
firm
right.
I have a firm belief that day 3 of Disney is the hardest day because you're exhausted from the first couple of days, but then like once you make it past day 3, you're just like used to it and acclimated. But day 3 is always a hard day for me.
I'm not gonna lie, I like it better on the screen because I'm a little scared of fireworks, to be honest. Cause like, you don't know what a firework can do.
I like how these fireworks match the music.
It scares me.
Yeah, the
Yeah, it's
fireworks
like
really do match
so
up. with the
gentle.
music.
Yeah.
these are
Oh,
like gentle, like the gentle music.
Oh, Disney's really good at that.
Oh,
I
they're
mean,
very good at that.
especially on
Disney's good
Happily
at
Ever
a lot of
After.
things. And also, if you see it on July 4th, they have it like 9 o'clock. They have $2 snacks.
Yeah.
No, they did on ours. We don't always know.
Yeah.
They also, on July 4th, they did 30% off in several of the gift stores, 50% off at Pecos Bills, and another, I think, Pinocchio's Village House. So, I mean, it was a great day to be there for that stuff for sure.
And if you eat snacks at night, like I do, because I'm a huge snacker, I ate a pretzel in the hotel and the rest of my churro.
Yeah. They had $2 snacks, so that was really nice.
At first, I thought that was it, and I was like, really?
Yeah, because there's this huge ending, and I was like, where's that at? Like, it's gone.
Me too. Except I was like, oh my gosh, because I was holding up the phone.
Did you lower the phone?
Now.
This is where it gets,
This is a really
it gets
sticky.
real lively.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. There's a lot of fireworks in this park.
I think a wide-angled lens would work good here.
Yeah.
But it'd be hard to get a wide-angled low-light lens for a low enough amount of money that I could do it.
Of course, the castle is now red, white, and blue.
Yeah. I think they have stars at, like, the bottom.
Now I wish I'd have
Yeah.
lowered down and let you see the castle.
I'm sure I'll put up a few pictures.
It was really neat how they, you can kind of see it there at the tip.
Yeah.
There you go, I'll lower down
Yeah.
some.
There it is.
The
I
castle,
remember seeing it. I was like, where's it at?
yeah, they did a really good job of the projections on the castle, I felt like.
Yeah, they look great.
Yeah, I saw a spot where the projections were going onto the castle. It was near, like Sleepy Hollow, an area like that. It was like a little Christmas shop. It was near that. So we were eating snacks.
I was gonna say a while ago, this fireworks show versus their normal fireworks show, this one had a tremendous amount of smoke comparatively.
Oh, yeah.
There were way more bursts.
I mean, it's got probably got more fireworks than illuminations even.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not nearly as long, but it's got pretty much nothing but fireworks.
Yeah.
There's not very much projection on the castle.
Yeah.
By the way, farewell illuminations.
Here's
I'll give
what
you
we
all-
were talking
All the
about.
way around, and it's not done.
It's not done.
It's not done. It's gonna happen again. Not the same
My
thing
dad'll
though.
turn the whole camera around and you'll see it clear.
It was cool. It just felt like there was so much to look at.
There was. It hurt to look at everything. This is it. No, after this. There it is.
What?
I had it on the other side. Yep.
Fireworks
There's a
and
lot of fog.
Yeah.
Not fog, but smoke.
smoke.
From the fireworks was so much. But I didn't really pay attention to that because I was looking at all the fireworks.
You can see a lot better and clear now. All the fireworks all around it.
Yep. That didn't happen too much. You don't really see fireworks 360 all around.
I mean, I'm watching. I just don't have a whole lot to say. It's just such a great video. I mean, really, I'm watching it, and I didn't think there was a whole lot to say. It's just such a great video, really. You know, a lot better than the hometown fireworks where I grew up.
That's for sure.
Overall, I think it was a great fireworks show.
Yeah, it's a great
And the regular one's good too, but this one's pretty good also.
And so if you're ever in Disney around the July 4th time, it's good
It's
to go
worth
watch.
seeing.
It's worth seeing for sure. So we would highly recommend going and watching it and
Unless you can't
hanging
get
out
in.
that night.
Unless you can't get into the park, because there's so many people.
Oh, that's true. But you could watch it from Bay Lake Towers, and I'll bet that is an amazing watch.
Because they
And so-
always
Probably
sound
good
in
with
the audio still.
Well,
so it's like,
You could watch it from Bay Lake Towers, or you could watch it from the Polynesian. That probably would have been a real cool
We watched
Ohana's.
Ohana's, yeah. We watched-
Ohana's dinner
I bet you
night.
that
We
would've been
watched the
amazing.
fireworks show and Ohana's a lot.
Yeah.
Well, we thank you guys for joining us and hope that you enjoyed the video. And we'd invite you guys to tune back in on Wednesday. We'll have another video for you. And until next time,
From
our house to yours.